You might think you know all the ways to capture a guy's attention. You might even believe you've mastered the art of conversation. But sometimes, the right words can make all the difference in sparking a deeper connection. That leaves both of you feeling more connected and eager to build something meaningful together. It can be challenging to know exactly what to say to make a guy feel truly special, but there are specific phrases that can make him instantly fall for you. In this video, we are going to reveal the 14 phrases that can create an immediate and lasting impression, helping you build a stronger bond with the man you're interested in. Make sure to watch this video to the end so you don't miss any of these powerful phrases. Welcome to a new video from the Relationship Insights YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe for more relationship tips and insights, and comment down below which phrase you found most surprising. Let's get started. Number 1. You're so interesting. When a man hears the phrase, "You're so interesting," from a woman, it triggers something inside him that makes him feel special and valued. This statement serves as a validation of his manhood and boosts his ego, making him feel good about himself. When you make a guy feel good about himself, he's naturally attracted to you and will want to spend more time around you. It's important to recognize that this phrase isn't just about complimenting his appearance. It's about acknowledging that he's intriguing and has depth, which carries a much deeper meaning. By focusing on his interesting qualities, you create a stronger and more meaningful connection. Number 2. You're the most driven man I've ever met. According to research from the University of Kansas, men are more attracted to women who acknowledge their achievements and their ability to provide. This compliment tells a man that you see him as a provider and that you're impressed by his motivation and ambition. When a woman expresses this to a man, it makes him feel like he can protect her and that she trusts him. It's a major turn-on for guys and will definitely make them want to pursue you even more. Number 3. You're the best. Even if he's not the best at everything, every guy wants to feel like he's the best at something. When you tell him that he's the best, it makes him feel good about himself and his abilities. This phrase is also a great way to boost a guy's confidence if he's feeling down or insecure. By telling a guy that he's the best, you give him a much-needed ego boost and make him instantly feel better about himself. Number 4. You're so funny. Laughter is one of the most essential aspects of a relationship, and telling a guy that he makes you laugh is a fantastic way to show you enjoy being around him. It's also an excellent way to make him feel good about himself and his sense of humor. Sharing laughter releases happy chemicals in the brain, making both of you feel great. It helps him relax and feel more at ease around you. By expressing appreciation for his humor, you deepen your connection and make him feel even more comfortable with you. Number 5. I can't stop smiling when I'm with you. This phrase will make his face light up like the sun. When you tell a guy that you can't stop smiling when you're with him, it means you enjoy his company and that he makes you happy. It's also a great way to show him that you're attracted to him and find him irresistible. This expression will definitely make him want to be around you more and will make him think about you even when you're not together. Number 6. I can't wait to see you again. If you want him to think about you all the time, this phrase is essential. It builds anticipation and excitement, making him feel like there's always something to look forward to with you. When a guy hears this from a girl, it shows that she's eager to see him and spend more time together. This is a significant sign of interest and will definitely make him want to be around you even more. Number 7. You are my one and only. When you tell a guy that he's your one and only, it makes him feel incredibly special and important in your life. This phrase conveys exclusivity and deep affection, letting him know that he's the only one who holds your heart. It's a powerful way to strengthen your bond and assure him of your commitment. Hearing this will boost his confidence and make him feel cherished, which will deepen his feelings for you and make your relationship even stronger. Number 8. Thank you for doing that. This phrase is so simple, yet so powerful. Guys love to feel useful and needed, and this tells them that you see them just that way. It makes them feel good about themselves and their ability to help you. When you express gratitude towards a guy, it not only boosts his self-esteem, but also makes him feel good about being with you. He'll want to do more for you and be around you more because it makes him feel needed and appreciated. Number 9. You're so sweet. Men are often seen as tough and stoic, but the truth is they have a soft side, too. When you compliment a guy on his sweetness, it makes him feel good about himself and his ability to be gentle and caring. This phrase is also a great way to disarm a guy if he's feeling nervous or tense. When you tell a guy he's sweet, it takes the pressure off him and makes him feel more relaxed around you. Number 10. Thinking of you makes me smile. When you tell a guy that thinking of him makes you smile, it lets him know that he brings joy into your life, even when he's not around. This simple phrase can make him feel appreciated and valued, boosting his confidence and strengthening your connection. It shows that he's on your mind and that his presence has a positive impact on you. This will make him feel special and more connected to you, encouraging him to deepen the relationship. Number 11. You make me happy like no one else. When you tell a guy that he makes you happy like no one else, it communicates that his presence uniquely brings joy into your life. This phrase lets him know that he's special to you and that his actions have a significant impact on your happiness. Expressing this sentiment not only boosts his self-esteem, but also deepens the emotional connection between you. It reassures him that he's valued and appreciated, making him feel more secure and cherished in the relationship. Number 12. You make me feel safe. Even if he's not consciously aware of it, every man wants to feel that he can protect and provide for the women in his life. When you tell a guy that he makes you feel safe, it strikes a chord deep within him. According to a study conducted by the University of Groningen, men are more attracted to women who make them feel capable of protecting and providing for them. So if you're looking to make a guy instantly fall for you, let him know that he makes you feel safe. Number 13. Thank you. I appreciate the way you think. Expressing gratitude for his thoughts and opinions can be incredibly powerful. Men value feeling respected and understood in their relationships. When you tell a guy, "Thank you, I appreciate the way you think," it acknowledges his intelligence and perspective, making him feel valued and respected. According to research from the University of Michigan, men are more attracted to women who recognize and appreciate their cognitive abilities and viewpoints. So, if you want to strengthen your connection and make a guy feel truly appreciated, make sure to express your appreciation for the way he thinks. Number 14. You're so different from other guys. Many men have heard the phrase, "You're not like other guys." But this one is a little different. When you tell a guy that he's different from other guys, it means you see him as an individual and not just another member of the male species. It also shows that you appreciate him for who he is, and that you're not simply looking for any guy to fill a void in your life. This is a major sign of interest and will definitely make him want to be around you more. He will feel special and unique, and he'll want to reciprocate by being the best possible version of himself around you. Final thoughts. As you've seen, there are plenty of phrases you can use to make a guy fall for you instantly. But it's important to remember that words are only part of the equation. Your body language, tonality, and overall energy also play a big role in how he responds to you. So the next step is to watch the video you see on the screen right now. It will show you how to attract guys without saying anything. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.